Hello viewers, welcome again to another video, and I don't know if you can notice, but there's something different on my bike. Stay tuned and I'll show you what it is. And today I've got Chris with me. How you going, Chris?
Hi, Jim.
Yeah, there he is. Hopefully you can hear him. So guys, here we are, Mount Bold Reservoir. Just took a bit of a detour today, so let's have a look.
Yeah. I thought you saw
Who put that there?
Did you get that?
Going up. Hello guys, I'm in my reviewing area. Bit windy, so I hope you can hear me, but I've been watching lots of videos with drones and I'm so impressed that I've got my own, but because I don't have a lot of money, I'll just show you quickly the only drone I could afford. Okay, are you ready? Thank you, drone.
Oh, thanks.
Anyway, why I'm here is to show you these bad boys. See that? Look at that, aren't they beautiful? Aftermarket mirrors. I got them because the other ones were fantastic, they worked well, but they were butt ugly. I'll show you. Here's the old mirrors, and can you imagine that there? And look at that, with those beautiful red accents. Fantastic. And the company, can you get that? That's the model, but I'll show you the company. They have been amazing. Hello. Now, I had a bit of a failure. When I was at the reviewing area, I actually forgot to push the record button. So now we're in a different place and I will continue with my review. Now, as you saw, these, camera person, these bad boys here, they are fantastic. And I really want to give a shout out to the company. They have been unbelievable, and I really do like to encourage people when they've done well. This is the company, Kawaii Motors. Look, I've probably said it wrong and I apologise if I have. Can you see that? They actually sent me 2 letters. One when they initially sent these out, and it was actually, hello Tim, hope your family's okay, all that sort of stuff, and talked about traditional Chinese characters and how it means happiness and all that. And here, as you can see, Yours sincerely, Marie, with a smiley face. Isn't that nice? They don't have to do this. It's really good customer service, and I think they've done well. Look, double happiness. So this company have been fantastic. They originally sent me out the standard kit, which has, if you look here, this goes in there, so an adapter, so these can go on. It originally had a left thread and a right thread, which is what most bikes have, but this Hornet has 2 left threads. So I emailed them, they got back to me straight away, and I said, can you send out another one? And they sent me another one out, the correct one out straight away. I can't tell you how good their service has been. But these mirrors, very, very good quality, as you can see. They haven't moved in the wind, they're rock tight, and sometimes with aftermarket ones they do twist a bit. The colour, the accent matches, and you can see these beautiful new clutch levers. I'll do another video on that. I know you're hanging out for that, but you're just going to have to wait. But these aftermarket mirrors, you can see behind yourself. You often have trouble with aftermarket mirrors. The view is very good, good view behind, and it's important for me because I often lead rides and I like to see that everyone's still with me and safe. That's the model. Anyway, thank you. They've crashed. I think the first car went into the barrier. Well guys, you know those days where it all goes wrong? One of my cameras ran out of battery. Then my GoPro ran out of battery. So I replaced the battery, which isn't a problem because I have spare batteries. My card was full. But luckily Chris had a spare card, so we've put it into this camera and hopefully it works, because I know it's going to be exciting. I have to get into 1th gear. Well guys, what did we do today, Chris? We looked at Mount Bold Reservoir. We did a bit of review of my aftermarket mirrors, just to add a bit of bling to the bike and to give it a bit more horsepower, because I reckon they're probably about 20 grams lighter than the old ones, which would give it about 56 more horses. Do you think, Chris? Yeah. Yep. And then we had a coffee at Meadows, and yeah, I just want to talk about our other channel, which is called Hornet and Bandit, and I'll put a link in this video somewhere when I learn how to do it, so that you can have a look at that, because it is funny, it is informative, and it's been edited by a professional cameraman who's behind me on the bike. And then there's Chris's personal channel called GS Xmas Tree, which is another superb channel, and what it has is a lot of videos on his Greek getaways and tours around Australia. So that is mainly a touring channel. There are other bits and pieces on it, but Chris loves to go touring on his bike, and there's some exceptional videos with fantastic footage on that channel.